Shifting the focus is a useful method when the conversation isn't going so well. It can help move the conversation in a different direction. In the next scene, the dentist uses this method when she faces a dad whose child is drinking cola from a bottle.
What does Sonny drink during the day?
Well, he's gone completely off milk now and all he drinks is cola.
Okay, does he ever have water?
No. He hates it. He just spits it out and starts crying if we try to give it to him.
And I can see that he still uses a bottle. How often does he drink from that?
All the time. We can't get it off him.
Well, I can see what you're saying, but Sonny does have a lot of decay in his teeth. And it's likely that the cola is causing it.
Look, I'm finding the whole situation at home really stressful, right? I'm working a lot, so when I come home I don't need to see him being upset or crying. Don't get me wrong, we've tried and tried not to give him the bottle, but he just ends up screaming the whole house down. Night times are worse. He's just so determined. No, we've decided that we're going to wait till he's a little bit older and then we're going to deal with it so we don't have to deal with his tantrums now.
Well, I can understand your reasons for waiting, but I think that will only make things worse. You know, there's a lot of sugar in Coke and quite a lot of caffeine too. So doing something now will not only be better for Sonny's teeth, no, I think it will help him sleep better. And you too.
Yeah, it'd be nice if I got a decent night's sleep.
Well, perhaps it's the sugar and the caffeine and the Coke that's keeping him up at night. You know, especially if he's having it just before bedtime.
Yeah, I mean, you're right. It's a struggle to get him to sleep anyway, and then we still end up getting up 2 or 3 times in a night.
That sounds really stressful. So how about we focus on one thing at a time?
Right.
And let's concentrate on getting you all a good night's sleep.
Well, maybe we could try and not give him a bottle before bedtime.
I think that's a really good idea. You know, it might be difficult the first few nights, but, you know, it will settle down. And, you know, you could try and give it a go for a couple of days over the weekend.
Yeah, that's a good plan. At least that way I'm not having to go to work super tired because we've been up all night with him.
Sounds like you've come up with a plan. It's a start.
Did you notice how the dentist listened to the dad's worries? She redirected the focus away from the bottle and concentrated on helping the family get a better night's sleep. This not only addressed the sleep deprivation, but also helped deal with the issue of sugary drinks before bedtime. The dentist was able to get Dad on board to make some small changes, and hopefully, when he's feeling less tired, he'll tackle cutting out the sugary drinks throughout the day.